Today's menu is Asari clams miso soup. Drain sand from clams. 200 cc water. Salt. A little over 1 teaspoon. Arrange clams so that they do not overlap. Adjust the salt water so that the clams' heads stick out a little. Cover the Tupperware. Two hours later, remove the aluminum foil. Wash the clams under running water. Cut scallion into small pieces. Put clams in the pot. Water 360 cc. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Hondashi. A half of a teaspoon. Turn off heat before adding miso. Blended miso. This is red miso. One type of miso is also delicious. Why turn off the heat before adding miso? Boiling miso soup will remove the aroma and flavor of the miso and reduce the taste. Dissolve 1.5 tablespoon miso. Hondashi again. A half of a teaspoon. Add the Hondashi into batches after turning off the heat to enhance the aroma. Tasting. If the taste is too weak, add more miso. If the taste is too strong, add water. Don't boil even if reheating. Put the scallions on the miso soup. Ready to eat!